Over 80% of SUV owners regret their purchase within 5 years, not because they wanted luxury, but because their reliable SUV turned into a repair shop regular. In this video, we are revealing the 7 most reliable Japanese SUVs coming in 2026 that are literally built to last forever. Bulletproof engines, frames that won't rust, and tech that actually works. One of them is so tough, owners say it will outlive their kids. Number 1. 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. The 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid enters the market as one of the most reliable Japanese SUVs 2026, thanks to a redesigned hybrid system built to last nearly 300,000 miles. Honda's new dual thermal battery management keeps every lithium-ion cell within a tiny temperature range. Whether driving in desert heat or extreme cold, its 2.0-liter engine, paired with electric motors, produces a stable 214 horsepower, not extreme, but intentionally moderate, to reduce long-term stress. The continuously variable transmission system isn't a traditional belt-driven continuously variable transmission, but a single-speed reduction gear that eliminates common failure points. Honda's attention to small details, like sound-deadening material that never compresses, prevents rattles years down the road. The result is a compact SUV designed to start every morning for 2 decades, without complaint. Number 2. 2026 Mazda CX-50. Mazda brings craftsmanship to the forefront with the 2026 CX-50, a model that stands proudly among the most reliable Japanese SUVs Ponte 126. Because of its slow, careful production process, workers spend more time assembling each unit, resulting in tighter tolerances and fewer defects. Mazda's third-generation 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine now produces a slightly reduced 187 horsepower, a deliberate move to lower RPM stress and extend engine life. A gentle combustion strategy reduces internal pressure spikes, allowing the engine to run smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles on regular fuel. Rust protection is another area where Mazda went beyond expectations. Galvanized steel, zinc-rich primer, and deep cavity wax ensure long-term durability. Its 6-speed automatic transmission, with high fluid capacity and robust clutch packs, is built to outlast complex modern gearboxes. Number 3. 2026 Subaru Outback Wilderness. Subaru's 2026 Outback Wilderness earns its place among the most reliable Japanese SUVs 2026 by fixing old weaknesses and doubling down on rugged engineering. The newly redesigned 2.4-liter turbo boxer engine uses multi-layer steel head gaskets and an ultra-precise deck surface to eliminate the notorious leaks of older models. Subaru's testing pushed engines through 2,000 extreme heat cycles, equal to 20 years of use, with 0 failures. The improved continuously variable transmission features a real launch gear, removing the belt strain that affected earlier versions. Heavy-duty skid plates guard the entire underside, preventing catastrophic damage in rough environments. Bilstein dampers, oversized bushings, and progressive springs help the Outback remain stable and quiet even past 150,000 miles. Subaru built this model not just for trails, but for longevity under real-world abuse. Number 4. 2026 Lexus GX550. The 2026 Lexus GX550 blends premium comfort with unmatched durability, making it one of the most reliable Japanese SUVs 2026. Its 3.4-liter twin-turbo inline-6 sits on a cast-iron block, a rare choice in the modern era, but one that dramatically increases long-term strength. Producing 349 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, the engine relies on journal-bearing turbos that last significantly longer than ball-bearing units. Lexus engineered the 10-speed transmission with multiple overdrive gears and aggressive torque converter lockup, allowing highway cruising at extremely low RPMs to reduce wear. The GX's fully boxed frame and old-school 2-speed transfer case offer mechanical reliability that electronics simply can't match. Thick semi-aniline leather, aircraft-grade switches, and heavily reinforced body mounts ensure the interior ages gracefully, even after years of heavy towing and off-road travel. Number 5. 2026 Toyota 4Runner. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner enters another generation with the same reliability-focused approach that has kept it iconic. Its new 2.4-liter turbo engine delivers 278 horsepower and an impressive 317 pound-foot of torque at just 1,700 RPM, reducing stress and improving longevity compared to the old V6. As one of the most reliable Japanese SUVs 2026, the 4Runner carries over Toyota's proven 8-speed automatic, with reinforced internals and higher fluid capacity for long-term durability. Its part-time 4-wheel drive system lets components rest when not needed, extending the lifespan of the front drivetrain. Toyota's rust-resistant frame coating helps the 4Runner survive decades in harsh climates. This model thrives on the philosophy that slow, careful evolution leads to bulletproof dependability. And that's why so many old 4Runners still roam the roads today. Number 6. 2026 Honda Pilot TrailSport. The 2026 Honda Pilot TrailSport builds on decades of Honda engineering to become one of the most reliable Japanese SUVs 2026. Its 3.5-liter V6, part of the legendary J-Series engine family, has been perfected through millions of units and countless real-world data points. Honda stays with a timing belt, not a chain, to prevent the catastrophic failures chains can cause when they stretch. Replace the belt every 100,000 miles, and the engine can run smoothly for up to 400,000. The 10-speed automatic transmission adapts to driving style, reducing unnecessary clutch wear over time. Honda's torque vectoring all-wheel drive uses durable mechanical clutches, avoiding heat-sensitive electromagnetic systems. The Pilot proved its reliability on Moab's Hell's Revenge Trail, surviving 30 days of continuous punishment. With only minor bushing wear, even the interior is engineered as a single, rattle-free piece, designed to stay silent for years. Number 7. 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 250. Topping the list of the most reliable Japanese SUVs 2026. The Toyota Land Cruiser 250 returns with a simpler, stronger design focused on extreme longevity. Its 2.4-liter turbo 4-cylinder is detuned slightly to reduce stress, offering steady torque without pushing components beyond their limit. The 8-speed transmission uses dedicated dual coolers to survive scorching climates where temperatures exceed 120 degrees. A Torsen mechanical center differential ensures dependable 4-wheel drive performance without relying on fragile electronics. Toyota designed the Land Cruiser with manual backups for critical systems, so even in the event of electrical failure, the vehicle can still operate. The boxed steel frame, galvanized for corrosion resistance, is the thickest in its class. Toyota tested pre-production units for 100,000 miles in harsh environments with minimal maintenance, and nearly all returned without mechanical failure. The new Land Cruiser is built not for a decade, but for generations,